everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make a travel brochure in Canva. Open Canva, click on More. Scroll down and find the brochure option. Click on it to create a new design. In the search bar on the left side, type travel. You will see a variety of travel brochure templates. Choose a template you like and add it to the page. Next, double-click on the text to edit and customize it as needed. You can also delete the existing images if you want to replace them. Go to Uploads and upload the images you need for your brochure. Drag and drop the images into the frames on the template. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.